In this video, I will show you guys step by step how I made $19,637 in commission with affiliate marketing in 17 days using free traffic from YouTube. I will show you step by step which affiliate links I'm promoting on YouTube, how do I use free traffic from YouTube, how do I create content that I'm using to promote my affiliate links on YouTube, and so much more. Okay, I made this commission in the month of December, from the first day of December until the day 17 over here, as you can see, and it's today. So I will click on update, and here you go. You guys can see the numbers are still the same numbers, and it's available here in my balance. So I will be able to withdraw this money in the next month, and I will receive this payment again to my PayPal account. So you can see here in my balance, this is $9,637, and this is my lifetime earning when from the day I started this business. I started this business almost 5 years ago. Okay, and I'm still getting commissions. I'm still making money with affiliate marketing using free traffic. This is my lifetime earning, as you can see, guys. $645,912. Okay, anyway, for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing, make sure to watch this video until the end, and let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. So what you will do, you will go back. So first, I'm gonna also explain, guys, for people who will ask why it's showing zero in your impressions here. I will explain this later, so don't worry about this. So first step, like I said, go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down. Just keep scrolling down and go over here to company and click on affiliate. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good and profitable commissions, and from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Okay, anyway, you just need to click here on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Just need to follow a few steps, and after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. So why it's showing zero impressions here? Because when you will sign up to Fiverr affiliate, like I said here, they will ask you, do you have a main source of traffic? If you say yes, you need to put your website here, and if you put your website link here, you will start seeing impressions here. Okay, if you don't have a website, that's fine. You guys can say no, like I did. I don't have any website. You can say no, and that's it. Okay, so like I said, after you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. And what you need to do next is you just need to choose good services and the profitable services that you will start promoting on YouTube to earn commissions. Okay, so how we can choose good services? So what you will do next, you will go back and open your YouTube homepage. Open your YouTube homepage like this. Why we choose YouTube? Because YouTube is the best traffic source for me. YouTube is making me so much commissions. Okay, and you guys don't know the potential of YouTube. YouTube can really make you so much money on affiliate marketing. Like, they have, look at this, 29 billion monthly visitors and millions of people every single day. It's close to like 1 billion monthly visitors per day. Like that, like you guys can see how many traffic is on YouTube. You can get so much traffic, like 29 billion monthly visitors. Millions of people every single day are scrolling on YouTube, searching for specific services, searching for the topics, searching for the product that they want to buy, searching for services, and so much more. So what I did is just I click here on the search and I will ask question how to edit, for example, how to edit gaming. Let's say for example gaming, and here you go. You guys can see how to edit gaming videos, for example, and here you go. So YouTube, you just need to ask question and YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for. This is a report search prediction. This is what people are searching for right now on YouTube. They are searching for how to edit gaming for YouTube, how to edit gaming videos for YouTube, how to edit gaming videos on CapCut. Those people who are searching for how to edit gaming videos, they will be interested if you go back to Fiverr, click on the search and search for edit gaming video editing. Search for this service, okay? Search for gaming video editing, scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service on Fiverr. So what you will do next is you need to choose good sellers, like level 1 seller, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers. If those sellers that you are choosing are good sellers, those people will buy this service from you and you will earn commissions, okay? So what you will do next, I'm gonna choose, for example, let me see, I will professional edit your gaming video to like this one. This one is really good. You guys can see this one. This one is good. I will click on this one. Let's choose this one, top rated seller, and here you go. You will be directly in this seller profile page. You guys can see 6 orders in queue, over 1,000 reviews, meaning that over 1,000 people paid for this service to edit gaming YouTube videos, okay? Which people will buy this service? People who are using YouTube and people who are using Twitch. And like 19% people who are using YouTube who will buy those services about gaming editing to make their videos more professional and more engaging to get views, okay? So it's super easy. So what you will do, go back to this seller profile page and copy his profile link, okay? Copy this profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, dashboard over here, okay, and just click over here and you have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links and you will be directly in this page over here. So just click over here and put your affiliate link here, put this seller profile link here like this and just click over here and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you will do next, you just need to start promoting this affiliate link on YouTube profile page and we will scroll down. So we need a video that we will use to promote this affiliate link on YouTube and we will use the video about this seller and we will edit this video too, okay? So click on the video, let's check. You guys can see the video is really cool. So what you will do next, double click on the video and click on save video, okay? And you need to save this video to your laptop. I'm gonna name the video gaming, click on save and here you go. What you will do next, you will go back to Google, okay? Go back to Google and search for Canva like this. Search for Canva, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, you should have, let me show you. After you finish your sign up process, you should have an account like this one with Canva, okay? So this will be your Canva homepage. After you finish your sign up process, you should have an account like this one with Canva. So this will be your Canva homepage. Click on video here, okay? Click on video and pay close attention. And what you will do next, So just click here on video and click over here on YouTube video, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload and click on upload file. Just click on upload file, and here you go, and upload the video that you download from Fiverr about gaming. Okay, open, and here you go. Click on your video, and your video will be over here like this. Click on this 3 points and click scroll down, click on set video as background, and here you go. Click over here on text, scroll down and choose which text style you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one. Just click on the text style that you guys want to use. Your text will be over here. I will delete this one. I will decrease the font size of this text, and I will put this text here. Double click on this text and write this sentence: check link in my description. Check link in my description. Okay, and I will put this sentence here: check link in my description. I will click on elements here and I will scroll down, and let me show you. Go over here to shapes and choose this one. Just click on this one, click on color and choose black color, and put this shape behind your text. Let me show you like this to make your text looks clear. Okay, and here you go. You guys can see check link in my description. So let's check now the video. You guys can see you have a good video now that you can use to promote this service. So click on share after you finish and click on download, and this video will be downloaded into your laptop. So people who will watch this video on YouTube, they will see this check link in my description. So what we will do is we will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. And what you need to do next, you just need to go back to your YouTube channel, open and create a YouTube channel, upload this video to your YouTube channel. Make sure to upload this video as Creative Commons. Okay, so you will not get any copyright issue with YouTube if you upload the video as Creative Commons. Okay, after you do that, use this title. Okay, use the same title that people are using to search for this topic: how to edit this one, how to edit gaming, this one, how to edit gaming videos for YouTube. Use the same title for your videos. In your YouTube description, put this sentence: if you are looking for how to edit gaming videos for YouTube, check link below. Just go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, and for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. It's almost the same. So all you have to do to copy your affiliate link, and just click here. Okay, and here you go. You just copied your affiliate link, and what you will do next, you just need to put this affiliate link in your YouTube description. Okay, and start promoting those services that will help people grow their YouTube channels and make and get more views, and for you, you will earn more commissions. Okay, you just need to rank your videos high in the search results of YouTube, so you can get consistent views, and those views will turn into commissions. Okay, a lot of views, a lot of people will start buying this service from you, and you will start making commissions. And you don't have just this service, you have a lot of services that can help people to grow their YouTube channels. You have gaming, you have, let me show you, you have thumbnails. YouTube, you have thumbnails. Also, this service is very profitable for people who want to start promoting affiliate links on YouTube. This one, YouTube thumbnail. You have a lot. You have YouTube Shorts. You have a lot. You have editing. You have YouTube SEO, and you have so much services that you guys can start promoting on YouTube to start making commissions. Okay, this is exactly the method that I'm using to earn this commission. Okay, let me show you. To make these commissions every single month, I'm making over $10,000 with affiliate marketing using YouTube and Pinterest and Instagram and TikTok. But my best traffic source for me, like I said, guys, is YouTube. YouTube is very, very profitable, and you have so much traffic from YouTube. You just need to create good content that you will use to promote your affiliate links on YouTube. That is exactly how we can start making commissions. The business model is clear. You guys can see it's clear, but it's not easy because you need to stay consistent. You need to improve your videos, improve your SEO so you can rank good on YouTube and start getting views. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. For people who who keep asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys want to get more details, more information about my methods, my strategies, get access to all my methods and all my strategies that I'm using, you guys can reach out to me in my email address for people who are interested. I will put my email address in my description of this video. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.